Long-range unmanned aerial vehicle LM-150 UAV. Dimensions: 2.3 meters x 2.2 meters x 0.5 meters. One-click flight mission management. Simple deployment and flexible operation. Maximum takeoff weight: 140 kilograms. Multiple guidance configurations such as satellite and electro-optical. Endurance: 6 hours at 30 kilograms. Range: 1,000 kilometers at 30 kilograms. Payload: 30 to 50 kilograms. Customizable to meet a variety of mission requirements. Service ceiling: 3,000 meters. Integrated storage, transportation, and launch. Low-cost asymmetric consumption. Speed: 180 kilometers per hour and dash speed: 400 kilometers per hour. Thank you for choosing CIKLON Technology. Reliable, efficient, smart.